Well, this is the view from my hotel window. I just opened it up, so I don't know if my GoPro lens got steamed up because of the superheat outside against my frosty, cool room here. But yeah, it's the view here. Here is Zadar, Croatia. Zadar, Croatia. We're going out to dinner in a few minutes here. So, all right, let's close this window. Get back in the frosty, cold air. All right. All right, we got a lot of sinkholes here all over the place.
Yeah, no.
We're on the trail here.
And you can see, like, this is the beach forest, right? Yes.
Yeah.
And you can see, like, beach forest, and it goes
On a trail here, walking down this morning here in Croatia. Got the sun in back of me there, so okay, we move on the trail here. All right. Well, we're still going down the hill here yet. I think we have to get down to the water and take a boat to go across to the other side where we hit the trail. So, and this is all downhill, so coming back, it's all going to be uphill, and I'm going to be tired then. But things I go through. All right. Well, we have one waterfall over there. We're going to take this boat. We're just going right over there. There's a hop, skip, and a jump. Then go uphill to get on the trail. This is the short trail, about 2 miles. Warm here in the sun, but pleasant in the shade here. So, yes, let's go see what's going to happen here. All right. Okay, we're on the boat. We're going to be heading to the other side here. And we're going back out here. Here we go. There's the waterfall over there, one over there. We're only going right over here, so we're not going far. So chances of disaster happening are pretty slim here, so all right. We've got no little waterfalls here underneath the bridge. There's no railing here, so I have to be extra careful. Well, this is the boardwalk here. It's not flat boards, it's like logs. So very uneven here, very trippy. So I have to watch it here. Pick them up, putting them down is going to be difficult here. All right. Yeah, clear water down there. Yeah. Okay.
And of course, whatever falls in the water stays down.
Crawdad on the bottom there.
Oh yeah, crawdad down there. Alright, gotta watch my step here. Be very, very careful. Another little waterfalls over there you can see as we're walking along here. Alright, back on the pathway here. The waterfalls right over there. Maybe we'll get close to them, I don't know. I'll have to see here. All right, pressing on here. Oh, we did get kind of close to the waterfalls here. And yeah, there they are right there. They look closer in person than in the video here, but a little cooler here. A little breeze coming down from the water. Feels kind of good. Feels kind of good here. All right. Oh, we actually have some fish down there swimming. There's one there. There's a couple more there. Yeah. There they go. They come up here. There's the waterfall right there. Nice big pool right by the waterfall. Be nice and cool to get up close to it there. Yeah, look at that. Alright. Back on the old boards here. Look at these boards. Uneven for sure. Another waterfall here. Nice blue water, clear water. We're moving on up here. Oh, we got another waterfall here. A lot of debris in the water here. But yeah, walking along, there's no guardrail here, so you trip, you could go in the drink, down with all the other stuff there, in with the fishies, swim with the fishes. All right, gotta be very, very careful here. Taking it really slow. Okay. Okay, another waterfall's here, you can see, coming up from the top there, going around on the curved boardwalk here. And I hope to get a little mist here from them, so I don't know. watch where I walk here and work the camera at the same time. Very difficult for the kid here. Very, very difficult, as you may well know. Okay. Well, more waterfalls along the old boardwalk here. As you can see, nice blue water here. And yeah, coming down there is a good one, all nice and blue here. Yeah, there you go. Still walking. All right. Well, we got the waterfalls in back of me right there. So taking a little break here. I make a little stop. So it's getting dried out here. Got my little neck band on here. It's helping just a teeny tiny bit there. So got to get back on the trail. Okay.